So today I'm kind of going into market with a mixed bias. We are in this daily fair value gap, along with we have just barely broken above equilibrium here from these highs to these lows. If we come over to the 4 hour chart, we are technically in bearish structure. No. The 4 hour is still just barely holding bullish. So we've held bullish structure on the 4 hour. The 1 hour is in. Oh, don't tell me it's bullish as well. Yeah. So it's all showing bullish. There's a shit ton of liquidity to the downside today. A lot of lows here that we could sweep, and not a lot of highs to take. But like, I want to be bearish. But it does look like we might continue to make legs higher. I think it'll be interesting. It also is a no news Monday, so should be interesting to see. Alright, so here's the trade, ladies and gentlemen. We can see we came down here. I lost like, what was it, like $300 on this short here. We came up into this 5 minute fair value gap. We rejected nicely. We shit the bed on market open. You know, we swept all these fucking low time frame liquidity levels. And that's why I cut this trade really short, because I knew that we had swept liquidity and we had a lot of room, possible room to the upside. Then we saw an invalidation of this 5 minute fair value gap here that I don't actually have drawn out. And then we saw the invalidation of this 5 minute fair value gap as well on this candle. So my entry was based off of the invalidation of those two fair value gaps paired with a bounce off of VWAP. Stop below this wick, which I quickly tightened up. As soon as we saw some movement up, I quickly made the trade a zero risk trade once we got like above these highs, I believe. And then I just manually exited the trade now. You know, we might continue running, we might not, but I exited because if we look to the left, we have these hourly liquidity levels that we were fucking around at on the 5 minute and the 1 minute, and I really didn't like it. Of course, now that I'm out of the trade, it probably will run them. As you can see here, though, 103,655 is what the account's at, which the account after that $200 loss, I think, had just barely run under 102,000. I was at like 101,955. So profit on the day is 1,355. We'll be back tomorrow with hopefully another great trading day. Got to be careful. We got PPI at 8:30, so there's going to be a lot of volatility tomorrow. So it'll be fun. Deuces.